Want to unlock the hidden geographic insights within your data? First, connect to your data source in Tableau. This could be an Excel file, a database, or any other format containing your postal code information, and drag the sheet to the canvas. Ensure that your postal code field is recognized as a string data type. If not, change it by clicking the data type icon next to the field name. Now, assign a geographic role to your postal code field. Click the data type icon next to your postal code field. Navigate to Geographic Role and select Postal Code. Drag your postal code field from the data pane to the Details shelf on the Marks card. Tableau will automatically create a map with points representing each postal code. Drag the measure you want to visualize, like sales or population, to the color shelf. This will color the map based on the values of that measure. Customize the color scheme by clicking the color shelf, selecting Edit Colors, and choosing a palette that best represents your data. Enhance your map by adding borders to the postal code areas. Click Color in the Marks card and add borders to your view. Make your map interactive by adding relevant fields to the Tooltip. Drag dimensions and measures to the Tooltip shelf to display them when you hover over each postal code. Finally, add a clear title, labels, and any other necessary formatting to make your map easy to understand and visually appealing. That's it. Start exploring the geographic trends hidden within your data.